Trying to win over a new SEO client, but not sure if your proposal will stand out? We've all been there. Your clients won't settle for blah, so why should you? We'll steer you right and also set you up with a free SEO proposal template. So let's dive right in.
Build an offering that's unique and offers real value to a client and make it obvious, make it clear, and really make that your kind of masthead.
Sage advice when building out an SEO proposal for your clients. Ready to take on the 6 key steps to make your SEO proposal unforgettable? Let's go. First things first, do the research.
I think one of the challenges was figuring out, okay, in the niche that we're in, because we are very niched, what SEO factors are going to matter the most. And then, of course, finding the tools that were going to support that.
Show your client you've done your homework by conducting a thorough SEO audit of their website. Highlight key areas where they excel and pinpoint critical issues that need addressing. Missing meta descriptions, slow load speeds, bring these to their attention with clear and actionable data. Now take it one step further into keyword analysis. Show where their website ranks for target keywords and identify new opportunities. Now that you've got their attention, some free insights, it's time to outline the solutions. Get specific and clear about what you'll deliver. Break down your services into tangible deliverables and make that a standard process.
What is our process for every single thing that we deliver, and can we clearly define that and describe it to a client? So we have that very set out now in terms of what our processes are.
Offering link building services, specify how many high quality backlinks you'll secure each month. Providing content creation, detail the types and frequency of content you'll produce. Make this section easy to read with bullet points, ensuring that your clients know exactly what to expect. Setting clear, realistic goals is crucial for managing client expectations and measuring success.
With your customers, there has to be alignment. So one's really important from the onset is setting the right expectations and having solidified kind of goals and KPIs. I think if you need alignment with your customer in terms of okay, what are our goals and how are we going to measure them?
Your goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, aim to increase organic traffic by 40% year over year, generate 30 organic signups per month, or build 30 new backlinks over 3 months. These are clearly defined goals. These goals build confidence and give clients a clear picture of the potential ROI. You have SMART goals. However, it's important to note that SEO is a long-term game. You need to set clear timeline expectations. Rocketing to the top of Google page 1 in a week is not a viable timeline. Break your proposed solution into specific, measurable milestones. Outline what you plan to achieve in the first month, the first quarter, and by the end of the year. Setting realistic timelines helps the client understand the process and the time required to see results, maintaining a healthy client relationship. Now for the crucial part, the investment. Frame the costs of your SEO services as investments in their business growth and revenue generation. More importantly, this is the stage to set expectations. You've laid the groundwork with your plan and goals. Now it's time to define the cost of your time and expertise.
When a client comes to us and says, how much is it to do SEO for us? We go, well, what exactly are you looking to do? And how many hours is it going to take us to do that? And so we're pretty fair and pretty upfront. We said, okay, this is a 10-hour project. This is a 30-hour project. We just want to make sure when we're putting that proposal together for a client that we're building in enough hours that it's profitable for us and also beneficial for the client.
Now end your proposal with a strong call to action. Make the ask and encourage your potential clients to take the next step. Whether it's scheduling a consultation call, signing the contract, or visiting your website for more information, make it clear and compelling. You might say something like, ready to take your SEO to the next level? Let's schedule a call to discuss how we can help you achieve your goals. Don't be afraid to ask for their commitment, ever. You just delivered a stellar proposal. If you're not confident enough in your services to ask for their commitment, your prospective client will notice. And there you have it. Now go start wowing your clients with the best SEO proposal they've ever seen. Head over to our blog to find more proposal tips and a free SEO proposal template you can start using in minutes. The link to the blog and template are in the description below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow agency folks. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.